Wonderful good evening and a warm welcome to everybody to our Wednesday evening webinar by Admiral Markets. It's a great pleasure for me and a great honor for me that you'll be here in this webinar, that you'll be a part of this education webinar with our special topic this evening, trading and your personality. One of the most topics in trading, because I know the trading is very important for all of us and we need a great approach, we need rules, but that's only the smallest part of successful trading. The bigger part is your personality. And this is our topic for the next 45 minutes in this education series. And after that, we will have two webinars we had only one webinar or two, I don't know. We had two webinars to go, and then we will start with a new series. So just a moment. So I'm very happy that you are here, that we can talk about this topic. And first of all, we want to talk, I want to show you the risk disclaimer. You know, trading with financial instruments offered by Admiral Markets carries a high level of risk, which is not suitable for all investors due to the complex nature. So, and you know, you are responsible for your own trading, and to get the corresponding information on charting conditions and other details, please visit the homepage of Admiral Markets Global. And this presentation and accompanying video should not be taken as advice for investing, as they only represent the personal opinion of the others like me. So, and as you know, since August 2018, we have, in European Union, a difference between retail and professional clients. We don't make trades this evening. We want to talk about only slides of my own presentation by the PowerPoint presentation. So this is the topic of this evening. Now you can see the important changes for Forex CFD trading between DAX and Euro, and your options. You can choose between retail and professional clients, and it's your own opinion and your own choose. So why you have to choose Admiral Markets as your broker? Because we have the best spread of 0.8 points during the main trading hours in DAX, and it's the same in Euro to US dollar. Best order sizes, mini contracts, for example, and no minimum stop distances or requotes. That's very important for me as a real trader. Admiral Markets is not only placed in Germany, we are one world, global offers. You can see all the other countries where is Admiral Market placed, and so you can be a part of Admiral Markets around the world. Contact us if you want to have contact by phone, mail, YouTube, Facebook, or admiralmarkets.com. And that's our topic this evening, trading and your personality. Let's talk about three special smaller topics: trading and your personality. Everybody is made for trading. Really? Is really everybody made for trading? And the biggest trading and psychology mistakes. We need to talk about it if you want to be successful in trading. If you have some questions, put it in a chat box. I can see it on my left screen here, and I will answer you if it fits to our topic this evening. If I can make you a proposal, please take a pen and a paper and write down what's important for you. Maybe it's not everything important for you, but it's like a supermarket. You go through the supermarket and you only take this, what you need for your own trading. So write it down, what you need for your own trading. And feel free to ask, is something unclear, or if you have some questions. We can talk about everything, because There's a big secret in trading. Do you know? Do you want to know the big secret? I tell you. The big secret in trading is that is not a secret. I know a lot of guys around the internet and around trading say always, oh, there's a big secret, and you have to know this one, and you know this one, you have used this one. But I'm in trading since 20 years now, and I figured out there is no secret in trading. Everything is taking place in your mind. First of all, you need rules, of course. You need a statistically proven successful approach or rules, but that's the smallest part. The bigger part is taking place in your mind. That's the reason why we need to talk about personality and how you can figure out how you can manage a big challenge in trading. Let's start. You know this slide since the last two webinars, and there's a special reason why I want to show you this slide again. Since ESMA forced the brokers to open their books to the public, we know that more than 76% of traders failed in trading due 3 months. That's the fact. In my opinion, it's too much. That's too much people that lost their money in trading. Of course, it's too much. But it's gonna be worse, cause this is the other number. Internal statistical brokers shows us the real truth. Lost you 1 year, almost 98%. And you know, as I said last week, we cannot judge these people. We cannot allow to ourselves to say 98% of traders are stupid or not smart enough. That's not the reason. The reason is based here in our mind. And if you want to be a part of the 2% of successful traders due 1 year, you need a guide, you need a coach, you need rules, and you need a useful help that you can change your mind, and a guide which will show you how you can change your mind and how you can fix it, change your mind that it fits to successful trading. And about this topic, we want to talk the next minutes based on that numbers. So first of all, write it down. Bring a system in your mind. In my opinion, and based on my experience the last 20 years, we are not made for trading. No one is made for trading. Why? Because we are not educated for trading. We have no system in our mind which fits to trading. Let me tell you an example. I guess you have a job. So you learn your job about 3 years, mostly. Yes, this webinar is available offline. You can watch it tomorrow, maybe, on the YouTube channel of Admiral Markets, if you have no time, or if you want to repeat it again. We are not educated for trading. We are educated for normal life. So you learn your job. So, and then after a special time, when you go to your job in the morning, you know by 100%, almost 100%, you know the result which you will get in the evening. You know it. If you do the same thing all time, all year, every day, you know the result. It works. It's like a receipt if you try to cook. If you had a receipt, you make it, or you change a little bit the tools or the ingredients at this receipt, and at the end, it tastes very well. And it doesn't taste you change it. You change the receipt, you change the ingredients, let's see, I must translate this word. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a second. Ingredients, that's the right word. You change the ingredients as long as it tastes. And then you can make always the same in this receipt and it tastes always in the same way. This is our mind. So in that way we are educated. And with this system in our mind, with this box in our mind, you come to trading and you try to do the same way. And here you figured out in a real fast way, it doesn't work. You make a trade, it's a winner, great. You make the second trade, it's a winner, okay. The third trade, it's a winner, okay. But you know, really deep in your mind, you realize you didn't have 3 times the same result. Maybe you had a great winner, a medium winner, and the third time you have a small winner, but completely different results. And then the fourth trade is a loser. Not the problem. One time can happen. The second time, the fifth trade is a loser. And the sixth trade is a loser as well. And with 1 or 2 trades, you lost everything what you won in the first and the third trades you made. And then your mind says, oh, that doesn't work. I have to change the ingredients. I have to change the rules. Okay, you change the rules. After that, you will make the same experience again. Winner, winner, loser, loser, winner, loser, winner, loser, loser, loser. And your mind is crying, is barking in your ears and says it doesn't work. Okay, let's go back, change the ingredients, change the rules, and so you try it again and again and again. This is the reason why trading doesn't work at 98% of traders. So you need to bring a system in your mind, a completely different system. But to cope this challenge, guys, you need to figure out who are you. After so many trades, after so many experiences in my life and in trading, I figured out the stock exchange trading will hold a mirror in front of you. And trading will show you, and trading shows you what kind of person you are really, or you really are. Do you think you are patient? As long as this mouse hits the wall, you think you're patient. I threw a lot of mouses on the wall because I thought I was patient. No, I wasn't. Trading shows me what kind of guy I am. And I was, of course, not patient, not in trading. So, do you know who are you? You know the business plan, do you remember? Who am I? What are your strengths or your weaknesses? Are you patient? Are you an active person, not trading, person? Are you more a routine trader or are you a routine person? Are you more like Captain Picard from Spaceship Enterprise? Are you an explorer? What kind of person are you? Do you know that? Because I can tell you, after so many experiences in my life and in trading, the real life is completely different from trading. Whatever you think, what it works in your life, it doesn't work in trading. If you think you are a patient person, try to make 5-minute trades. If you think you are an active person, you need actions in your life, try to make 1-minute trades and accept the result of the market. Do you think you are very calm and you're a really routine person? Try to make trading in the same way. You will figure out that trading is a completely different system, like what you are doing in your life. That's my experience. And if you want to be a successful trader, you need to change your system in your trade. You need to build up a special box in your mind to build up for trading. This is life and this is trading. And that's, guys, that's the real challenge in our trading. That's the real challenge in trading, not the rules. You can trade whatever you want by sunrise or whatever. But you need rules. But that's the smallest part. The bigger part is taking place in your mind. Always and always. This picture I want to show you. In trading, you are like a hunter. And a hunter has a lot of patience. Whatever you trade in the market, whatever you use for rules, it doesn't matter. The most part or the most time in trading, you have to wait. You are sitting in the tree, on the chair in the tree, and you watch, 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 and you're looking, and you're a speculator. It's a Latinum term, and it means look around. Speculating doesn't mean action. Speculating is based on Latinum term, and it means calm, looking around, only watching, not action, only watching. That's your job as a trader. You are a hunter. You have your gun. You're sitting on your table, on your chair in the tree, and you're watching the whole damn night. And then the moment you will see what you want, then you can make your shootout. But most of the times, you have to wait. You're like a hunter. And as an experienced hunter, you don't run about the grass or the forest and you shoot out like a MG. No. You want to hunt this bear or this whatever you want. The sheep or whatever. But most of the times you have to wait. One of the biggest problems and the challenges is that most of the traders cannot wait. They want to make trades because they always say, I'm a trader, I'm a trader, I'm a trader. I need my money, I have to trade. But a real experienced trader knows that most of the times you have to wait. You have to wait until you see what you want. And if the situation comes out and your rules are actually there and present, then you can make your trade. Can you do that? Write it down on your paper, on your own paper, like a diary, write it down. What do you think? Can you wait always? Not one time, not a second time. Can you wait always? Let me tell you a story. Today is Wednesday. On Tuesday evenings, we always make our webinars in my trading education series. And we repeat the trades from the former week. And all my clients must publish their own trades on their pinboard in our internal forum. And on my weekend, my task is to watch all the trades of all my clients. They publish their trades. And one of them is a really experienced trader. He's almost 2 years in my service. And he made a lot of experience. And he lost a lot of money. And I always work with him and I always try to change his mind. I talk to him. Hold on, stick on your fucking rules. Stick on the rules. So in January, he had a great crash. So he lost everything because he was sick and he was trading. He was sick and he traded. He lost everything. Then anger and stupid trades. After that, in January, I said to him, stop it. Stop it. Stop every kind of trading. Stop it now. I'm your coach and I give you the order. Stop it now. Okay. He stopped. And I told him, take your time. Figure out what you want. I told him, stop trading for at least 4 weeks. At least. After 2 weeks, he called me. This was in February this week. And he told me, Markus, I'm so happy. I'm so calm now. I hate trading. I don't want to make trade. Okay? So everything is fine. Take your time and figure out what do you want. So in March or April, he called me and said, Markus, I want to start again. I'm calm. I know my mistakes. I repeat all my trades. I was so stupid. I was such an idiot. The only thing I had to hear, I had to listen, what do you say? I know, I said, I know. Okay, let's start again. So he started again in April. He stick on the rules. I guide him very close. I catch him because I know he was a very comfortable person, a humble person, and he needs my support more than the other one. So I guide him through the trades and I told him, speak to me with every trade. If you want to make a trade, call me first. And then we bring it out to an automatism. Okay. And then it works. No more day trading. No more trades in 5 minutes because he was a part-time trader. As a part-time trader, you cannot make day trading. It doesn't work. Okay. Then it works. He make great success in June, in July, in August. In October, he made 11% in 1 month. Great. November, he made 2%. Was okay. It was not the best month. And last 2 weeks, he lost again 15%. And I watched all the trades. And shall I tell you something? Every fucking trade was completely against of our rules. I called him yesterday and I said, what the fuck? What's your problem? And he said, oh God, I know. I fell back in my old system. I made trades in 5 minutes. I made day trading in US dollar, Danish krone. I said, oh, you're stupid. It's the spread is, it's unbelievable. You cannot make trades in US dollar, Danish krone. Doesn't work. Or in Swedish krone. And why you don't hold your trades, your rules? And he said, I don't know. He was almost crying yesterday. I said, I don't know. I cannot understand myself. Okay, I said, stop trading again. Stop it. And he is a part-time trader. He's still a part-time trader. And last week, he made 12 trades in 5-minute chart. And they said, why in 5-minute chart? It doesn't work. You cannot focus on your job and in 5-minute in day trades. It doesn't work. Your mind cannot cope this challenge. It doesn't work. And he said, yes, I know. And I said, fuck, why do you do that? I said, I don't know. I'm so stupid. I'm an idiot. Yes, I said, you are an idiot. Of course, you are a great idiot. You lost your money and you lost your lifetime. Especially, you know it. And you knew it, that it doesn't work in that way. I said, okay, it's Christmas. Stop it now. We'll start in the new year only with an hourly chart. No trades in 5-minute chart. Why I tell you this story? Maybe you find out you have the same problem. Do you have to wait only if you are a scalper or if you are a swinger to Slatko? It's the same. If you are a scalper, you have rules. You have a system. Scalping doesn't mean trading like an MG. That doesn't work. As a scalper, you need hard rules. And especially as a scalper, okay, you can make 3, 5, 4, 6 trades a day. But based on your damn rules. And if your rules doesn't fit like a template, you cannot make trades. Even you are a scalper. It doesn't matter if you're a scalper or a swing. You need rules and you have to wait to the time when the template based on your rules fits to the market. Whatever you do there. But in another way, it doesn't work. Most of the people lost money. They don't have rules and they can wait. That's the reason I told you the story. Even you are an experienced trader, sometimes you fall back into an old system. And that's the reason you need to change your system. Note, please, first of all, don't lose your position mentally. What do I mean with that? I know people in my clients, they bought a position years ago. Maybe you know telecom. Some people bought telecom shares by a price of 90 euros or 120 euros. Do you know the price of telecom, German telecom today? I don't know exactly, but I guess between 10 and 20 euros. Do they have the position already? Or do they still have the position? Yes, they have. But they put it in a grave in the basement of their house. They forget the position. And that doesn't work. Don't lose your position mentally. You have to focus on your trade. Even you're a scalper, day trader, or swing trader. Don't forget your position. That's really important. You have to guide your position till the end. And if the stop comes closer, close your position. But don't put your stop far away. It doesn't work. I swear to God, the market has more breadth, and the market has more space, and the market has more power then you have money on your fucking account. I swear to God. I tried it a lot of times. Really. I take the stop away, and the price comes closer, and I said, I need more space. I need more space for this trade. I put the stop away. So the market comes closer again, and they said, let's look the weekly chart. No? From hourly chart, the weekly chart. There's a special point. Put the stop away. I lost so much money in that way. I swear. Don't lose your position mentally. Focus on your trading. Don't forget your trades. And next one, write it down on your paper. In trading, guys, there doesn't exist any excuses in trading. Never. Either you are a loser or you are a winner. There's nothing in medium there. No excuses. No excuses. You cannot say in trading, okay, I will try it. Guys, it doesn't work. Either you do it or you don't do it. But no excuses. If you say, okay, let's try it. Let's try to stick on my holes. You ever have a back door where you can say, it doesn't work. But I tried it. Doesn't work. Either you do it or you don't do it. And I know you are a smart guy or a smart girl here. Do it or go away. But don't waste your time with trading if you are not willing to go the completely way to success. And one of my traders in my company says always, there's no way to success without any pain. Learning based on pain. And this is what trading means. Learning by pain. But pain doesn't mean that you get some punches in your face. No. The most important thing where you feel pain is when you cannot do trading, when you have to avoid to trade, because your template doesn't fit, and you have to realize that you cannot make a trade yet or during the day, because it's not the situation to make trades. That means pain as well. Not always that you lost money in the market or you lost money in the market. Not that topic. Most of the time you feel pain when you sit in front of your PC and you have your rules, if you have rules. Of course, you need rules. But you cannot make trades because your template doesn't fit. But in trading, there's no medium. Either you are a loser or you're a winner. What do you want to be? What do you want to be? A loser or a winner? I guess all of us, we want to be a winner. We want to be the hero to our girls or women or friends. But to be a winner, you have to change your mind. And you have to change the system, guys. Qualities with impact on your trading, and you feel it every day. Greed and euphoria, laziness, inconsequence, pedantry, arrogance, defiance, shame, fear, most of the biggest qualities in our trading, uncertainty and indecision, and lethargy. All that qualities are a part of our trading. And these qualities have a great impact on your trading. Most of the people have fear. And next week or in the next webinar, we want to talk about fear and how you can handle that fear. A lot of people are uncertain and cannot make any decision because they're sitting in front of the PC and say, what should I do? What should I do now? or they have leathery, or they have pedantry to look at every single point, everything must fits very, very well. Or defiance. I know a lot of traders, they have shame about yourself, about their losses. Or I have some traders in my community, they are very arrogant. They said, I'm the biggest hero in the world. At that moment they come to trading, they know they are no hero anymore. And some people are very inconsequent. They don't stick the rules. Or if you are lazy, trading is not the part you can make money. And greed and euphoria, you know. You know this special share? You know it? It's a special share from Germany. Maybe you saw this share. It's Volkswagen, VW. Everybody knows VW. And a couple of years ago, the price increases almost to 1,000 euro. In this share, every quality you can see, greed and euphoria, fear, inconsequent, every shame. A lot of people said that share cannot increase more. It cannot. And the share shows us it was able to increase more and more and more. A lot of people lost everything. And I know guys, they lost their life with that share because they lost everything. Write it down. The stock market or trading always goes the way of the greatest pain, always. And if you are not willing to go this way, you cannot be successful in trading, guys. What do you need is calm and patient, like this cat in the grass, just looking for the mouse. Do you ever watch this special situation when a cat is hiding in the big grass and is watching for the next mouse? He's so calm, a lot of patience. This cat can wait a lot of time until the moment to catch the mouse. And we have to do the same, calm and patient. Either you are a scalper or you are a swing trader. It doesn't work. It doesn't matter. Calm and patient. Find your own calm. If you are crazy inside of you, if you are not calm enough, trading cannot be successful in trading. You have to figure out if you are a scalper. Okay, I know a lot of people want to be scalper because it promises you fast winners. But let me tell you something. Scalping is one of the hardest part of trading. It costs a lot of calm. I hate scalping. It's too fast for me. In your mind is taking place a meeting in every second. Maybe make this exercise. Close your eyes and thinking about what you drive at the moment. What moves you at the moment. And then listen to your inner voices. We are not crazy. That's a normal behavior in our mind. We have different voices inside in our inner circle. And in trading especially. I will tell you an example. If you want to make a trade, before you make this trade, your inside team, your inner circle, hold a team meeting. And I will tell you what has happened there in your team meeting. And sometimes, and maybe you must confess, it works exactly in that way. Because I feel it in that way. First of all, you see a trading chance. And then our inner meeting is working. Our inner meeting, our inner circle has a meeting. And then first one, your chart technicians says, okay, that's my voice. Let's make the trades. That's our rules. Let's make the trade. This is the first voice you hear in your inner meeting. Now, you see the chance, and the first voice says, come on, let's make the trade. But then, the second voice is the consistently doubters. He is always there on this round table. You know it? Can you hear this voice? Not so fast. Really? Are that our rules? Is that the situation you're looking for? This is the voice of your consistently doubters. He's always on this table. He's always barking in your mind. Okay. Then your hand goes away from your mouse. Okay, what's now? The next voice, the reasonable intermediary, says, what are you talking about, you doubter? What are you talking about? That's your rules. Make the trades. Calm down. Come down, everybody. You can make these trades. But then the next voice says, the next voice is your fearful one. And the fear on this inner meeting jump on the table and says, oh no, not again. We lost so much money in the past. Don't make this trade. Don't make it. I have so fear that we lost money again. And I don't want to lose money again. That's the fearful one in your inner meeting. And then Miss Shame jumped up and says, with very soft voices, I'm shame on me. We had so bad trades in the past. Come on, no, I cannot show this trade to my coach. Miss Shame says, don't do that trade. Don't do it. But then the greedy guy jumps up and says, are you crazy? Shut up, everybody. Make this fucking trade. We need the money. We need the money. Pump up the risk. Not 1%. Come on, put on 3%. We need that fucking money. That's your greedy guy on your meeting. And then next voice says, stop. Greedy guy, shut up. Do you make enough research about that trade? Because did you figure out what's about the fundamental and the datas? You really? That's the voice of the fundamental and data guy. And then you think about it, he is right. Come on, let's look about the fundamental and datas. Can I really make this trade? The next voice, the fearful one again. He says, that's what I said again. Don't make the trade. We lost so much money. Come on, not again. Listen to the fundamental and data guy. You cannot make this trade. Come on, I have so many fear. Come on, don't make this trade. I don't want to lose money again. And then the greedy again jumped up again and is crying through the whole meeting. Are you crazy? Fuck off. Make this trade. We need that money. We lost so much money. Come on, 5% of risk. Come on, let's make this trade. That's the greedy guy again. And after all, at the end, you're so much crazy in your mind. And the resigned one says, at least, and finally, No, I'm confused. I don't make this trade. Maybe in that way, or in similar ways. But this is what is taking place in your mind if you make a trade. If everything running for you, if everything fine, and if you're a winner, you can click, 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 everything is fine. But at that moment, you lost money in trading. This inside team meeting is taking place in every kind of trading. Every. And you hear this voice. You can hear all that voices in your mind. You can hear it. And you listen to them. And at the end, how often do you make this experience that at least finally you don't make the trade? Because you feel fear or shame or you resigned. Come on. You can confess. We are here in a family. I know all of us in a special time, you feel that in a team meeting. And then write it down. Take conscious influence to your mental team meeting. That's all voices, guys. All voices. Everybody of this inner circle has its own right to be there. The fear, the greedy, the fundamental, everybody. But you, only you are the master of this inner circle. Not the fear, not the greedy one, not Miss Shame, not the fundamental or data guy, not the technical guy, and not the fear or the greedy is master. Everybody has its own right to sit on this table. Because everybody of these voices has its own right. You need the fear. You need the greedy. You need the fundamental guy. You need Miss Shame. And you need the technical terms. But you are the master of all that voices. You are the master of your own inner circle. And if you realize that one of that voices is too loud and is too permanent and is too strong, and in my opinion, in my own experience, I felt so often so many fear. And always my fear voice in my mind is always jumping on the table and is dancing on the table and said, I fear, don't make the trade, I cannot make trade, I'm so stupid, I'm the biggest idiot ever. If you feel that, realize it. But you are the master. You take conscious influence on that round table. Do that. You are strong enough. You are a smart guy and a smart girl. You can do it. And there's one program you can talk. Say to that voices, come on. You bore me. You're so boring, guy. Make this system. Cry on that guy which is too loud. If the fear is jumping always on your table and always barking in your ear, I fear. Say to that voice, sit down. Fear. Maybe you can give him a name. All my voices, in the meantime, after my experience, I gave names to my voices. And my fear, it's a secret, but I tell you the secret. My fear has the name Robert. I hate, no, there's no Robert here. But Robert is like a name you can cry. Robert, sit down. So my fear has the name Robert. And if the fear is too loud in my life or in trading, I say, Robert, sit down. Shut up. I realized what you want to talk to me. I realize it. But all the others has the same rights as you. Sit down and shut down. You bore me. You are such a boring guy. I am the master of this round table. I am the master, not you, or not the greedy one, or not Miss Shame, or whatever. Play this boring system. Be your master of this round table. And guys, do it. You know the rule of the 72 hours? Everything what you will not transfer of your ideas during the next 27 hours, it doesn't work. Do it. Write it down now, what you have to do. Do it during the next 70 hours. Do it. You can it. Yes, you can. You can be a part of the 2% of traders. You can do it, guys. I believe in God. And I know in my deepest times in my life, I know the Lord has protected me in my deepest times of my life, in trading or in other situations. Today I knew, my Lord was always protecting me. So, and I know, based on this term of Matthew chapter 70, verse 20, you can read there, because you have so little faith. Truly I tell you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. That is my leading words in my life and in trading. And this is what makes me very, very strong. It's inside of you guys. It's a part of you. It's only a question of faith. Do you believe that you can cope this challenge? No one make the decision. Only you. Nothing will be impossible for you guys. And that's the slogan. Write it down. Guys, never give up. And with these challenges, with these topics in our mind, I'm so convinced that you can be a part of the 2% of successful traders. But learn to be the master of your inner circle. You are the master, not the other voices. Every voice has its own right to be there on this round table, but you are the master of that round table. Never give up. And then, only in that way, this is the only useful way you can cope this challenge to be a successful trader. Unfortunately, there is no other way. We are not made for trading. Our education, our brain is not made for trading. You need to change your mind. In that way, I showed it in this webinar. But never give up. Never give up. Never. You can do it. I believe in you. All of us, all of you. We are 90 people this evening here. 90 guys and girls here. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Do you think the same? Do you believe on yourself? Is your faith big enough? I guess you can do it. Let's do it, guys. Thank you very much for that and for your attention. I hope you learned a little bit. And Thanks for your time. Have faith, guys. Believe in your own success. You have this power in your mind and in yourself. Use your own power. You can do it and say, yes, we can. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening. We will see us the next time. Bye bye and take care.